Hey campers, welcome back to day 3 of our On the Farm adventure. Today we are stepping into a world filled with friendly animals on a huge boat. Could you imagine how loud it would be to have all those animals? Really loud, right? Noah was on the ark for a very long time, and he had to trust in God even though he didn't know what was happening.
Hey campers, today we are going to practice our key verse for the week. It is Psalm 27:13. Wait patiently for the Lord. Be brave and courageous. Yes, wait patiently for the Lord. Now we're going to take away one of the words. Now let's practice it together. Wait patiently for the Lord. Be brave and courageous. Yes, wait patiently for the Lord. Now we're going to take away 2 more words. Now let's practice saying it again together. Wait patiently for the Lord. Be brave and courageous. Yes, wait patiently for the Lord. Now let's try it one more time and take away a few more words. Wait patiently for the Lord. Be brave and courageous. Yes, wait patiently for the Lord. Thanks so much for practicing our key verse with me.
Hey campers, welcome to Bible Blueprint. Today we're going to be continuing our story from the book of Genesis. Yesterday we left off with Noah and his family and all the animals on the boat. We also talked about the whole earth was covered in water. It rained for 40 days and 40 nights straight. That is a very long time for it to be raining. Throughout the story of Noah, there are many times where he is waiting on God. Noah can be working on building the ark, and he is waiting on God to tell him what to do next. Noah could not see what God was going to do, but he still trusted in him. Like we learned earlier this week, Noah spent years waiting on God to work when he was building the ark. Noah did not give up, and he realized God was still there to help him, even though Noah could not physically see God at work. Noah trusted in God and his plan for the ark, and no matter what happened, he knew God was in control. Noah spent a very long time on the ark, and with all the animals, he continued to follow God's plan for his life, even though God did not tell him about everything that was going to happen. Just like Noah, there may be times in our lives when we face storms, uncertainties, and challenges. We might not always understand why things are happening, but we can always trust that God is working, and even when we can't see it. Just like Noah was waiting for God's timing and for his plan, we also can wait for God's timing and his plan for us too. Take a look at this paper. It looks blank right now. You can't see anything on it, but there actually is a drawing on here, and let's try to uncover it. As you can see, slowly there's an image that is appearing underneath. Now, this is an image of a boat, which we could not see before with the paper being blank. But just like how we can't always see or know what God's plan is for us, there is still always a plan. Today's big idea is, even when we can't see it, God is working. As our On the Farm adventure today comes to a close, just like Noah, when we can't see it, God is always working. Did you know when goats give birth, they are called kids? Just like Noah, even when we can't see it, God is always working.